On my website, Ease Web Design Tutorials, I am using an old Genesis theme that I probably installed and have used for a bunch of years. So I've been looking into a new theme. I came across Blocksy and I've installed it, and now I will do a live preview to see what it looks like in the customizer. So as you see here, it's very different from the regular standard customizer features. So we'll just go through it one by one. General area. Okay, so we have layout. Where's width, the content area spacing, container white alignment, buttons. We have a general, and we also have for there should be a hover, no hover information. This looks like desktop, tablet, and mobile. There's also design where you can adjust the background color for the button. I assume that somewhere in here there might be also a global setting that will affect the various colors. So we'll go back to general, then back, and in breadcrumbs we have a separator here. Home text is, you can choose the home page text, and also showing the current post or page title or the taxonomy title. So we'll just go back from there. Form elements, it looks like it somewhere, in some way it will contain a form. So we'll just go out of there. Entry content. So we'll go through this a little bit later on. Links type. I see there's different types here. I assume that this can be set somewhere, the type. Shows networks account, and this is what you will be able to also show in some way on the website. Visitor engagement. Here's the schema markup. It's kind of like a typical what is used today for WordPress. Scroll to top icon. So what we're going to do, I think I will just, I'll go back to desktop here. So we have a scroll to top, and there's a frame I can see, and I assume that I see there's also an arrow here. So I can choose from what I want that to look like. The icon size and alignment, and also the design. And also a website frame. Here I can choose green, or I can even also have it bigger like this, and choose whatever color I want. Manage options. So I see there's a reset options here. I assume there's also a way to export the settings, but that might be in the pro version. So we'll go auto general, into header. So here we can customize that header area with different elements. I see there is a logo arrow here. So I can choose the height of the logo. Only I need to set that in first. We have the title. Turn that off if I want to, or on. Site title tagline is off because I already removed that. And there's also a design, so I can adjust the color here to something else if I want to do that. And there's different font size, line height. There's a lot of options here for designing the site title. And these are then the various elements one can adjust in the global header. That's something I need to look at another time. Footer, here we can also design, you can see the footer area here, top row, middle row, and copyright area. And so that means this is something that can be modified to contain various widgets. And there's also, as you see, 3 rows here. And there's a global footer for all of them. So this is very interesting with the footer. Sidebar, I can turn this on and off if I want to have that. So here are different styles. I see it's not showing up right now, so I assume there's probably something I just need to turn on here. So this shows a lot of options for the sidebar area. Colors, here I can choose from global colors here. See, the green is a global color that I've seen multiple places. We have the colors for heading tags, site background, typography. We have then for various headings, for buttons, block quote, pre-formatted, and a fallback font family. Here's also a base font. Performance. It says lazy load images. This can be on as it is. It will help with the performance. And we then have the post types, blog posts, how this will show up. We'll just go to blog here. So this will then, you can choose from different styles what you want that to look like. So I really like, I think this one, yeah, we'll just keep that as it is. Card options. What I want to show here. So I can put, for instance, the title in the top, and we see the title now in the top. Featured image, so we can turn this on and off with I. So I see there's no images for this. I have a tutorials page also for the custom post type. And this is not showing up at the moment. Let's go to various tutorials. And this is something I need to then fix. So we see the different here. I'll just turn that off, and then I'll just turn off my name here. I actually might just want to have the date and not the author name. And it looks like I am not able to. Okay, there I happen to just remove from there. Okay, so here's also the design section. We're going back out of that, because here we can turn on the sidebar and see the different options for the sidebar if you want to do so. There's also a card reveal effect that shows up here. I'll just turn that off. We have single posts. We have categories. And I don't know if this will also work with custom post types as I have for the various tutorials. So we have pages, author page, shirts page. We also have the tutorials here, tutorial structure. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to, again, let's go to CSS. Okay, so this is fairly empty at the moment. It's something I need to just adjust. And it's something I need to get back to. Single tutorials. So there's a lot of options here that one can take a closer look at. So here we have the site identity. I'll remove that. We have the menus. I already added a menu here. Or no, actually this, I need to create a new menu and add that in. Widgets. Homepage settings, and then the additional CSS area here. So there is a lot of options. So let's take a look at what the Pro features offer. View Pro features. So here you can explore the features. Here's a enhanced header builder, header pro elements. There's also advanced menu, enhanced footer builder, footer pro elements, custom sidebars, advanced hook system for developers, white label, custom fonts, Adobe Kit fonts, local Google fonts. So it offers a lot of extra. in here. So here I can also look at a small video if I want to. And it makes it a lot easier to adjust the header, and it can also create multiple headers, duplicate elements I see. So it offers a lot of things in here. Okay, so that was like my introduction to Blocksy theme.